Newburg News. My name is Trenton. Today is November 6th. Now for the winners of Scary Stories. First place, Kaya Mayer.
The man in the van was very excited to give me a ride home, especially when I told him my brother was there waiting for me. I would feel bad for lying, but I was told to bring home dinner, and those types of people are the easiest to catch.
Second place, Anna Elefante.
A dream come true. The mom was at home while her son was under a stone. She wept all day and night, dreaming her son was back in her sight. Suddenly something gripped her throat tight. She struggled to breathe until black was all she could see. Soon the pain was over and her son leaned on her shoulder.
Third place, Eddie Antonio.
They polish their broomsticks, sharpen their hats, catch some spiders, feed the bats, try out some yowls with all the cats. Then, witches are ready for you know when. Happy Halloween.
This week's TikTok video is from a 6th grader on
My hidden treasure, I think I'm falling in love. She said, what you know about love? I tell you everything. I got what you need. Woke up in the store and get what you want. Go get you get what you please. We about to get it on.
Here is this week's how-to video.
I'm going to show y'all some tips and tricks on like the keyboard and how to do split screen, something y'all don't know. Okay, so first tip is just create a new document. This one, it's going to minimize the keyboard. So one hand, so like if you're trying to do something with split screen and look at something else, if you just pinch the middle of the keyboard diagonally, it will minimize it to one hand and you can type. And then to just open it back up, you just swipe up and then it goes back to normal. And then with split screen, if you hold the bottom of your screen, it pulls up the bar. You probably can't look the keyboard out. Pulls up a bar, and then if you want to say you want to split screen Google, you just hold it and drag it to the side, and then it'll be like this. So those are just some tips for y'all.
And now for the Friday song. Get ready to sing along with the 6th grader.
It's my favorite day. It might be your favorite day. If it is, sing it with me. Oh, F-R-I-D-A-Y. It's my favorite day, oh my. It's Friday. What